My dear viewers, in today's show I'm going to recommend you a special oil that is going to be very beneficial for your health, especially if you have problems with your hair. If you have thin and brittle hair, if you want to avoid hair loss, this plant is going to be unbelievably beneficial. Watch today's show and I'm going to explain everything about one plant that is called Arnica. Arnica. Since the 1500s, Arnica applied to the skin as an oil, cream and ointment. Liniment or salt has been used medicinally, although there are other species of Arnica. Arnica montana, sometimes referred to as mountain tobacco. Leopard's bane and wolf's bane is the most well-known and commercially accessible variety. Large, brilliant yellow or golden orange flower heads of Arnica plants start to show through the midsummer and bloom brilliantly far into October. Arnica is a plant native to the Europe and Siberia, but it also grows in the North America, especially in the mountain areas. Arnica or mountain ash is a perennial plant recognizable by its yellow-orange flower. The Arnica stem is upright and poorly branched. Arnica grows on average up to 60 centimeters. Arnica leaves are long and egg-shaped. Arnica is unbelievably healthy plant. We right now, from the history of the natural remedies, Arnica is used 1600s, especially in the area of the Alps in the Europe. Right now you can find it in Siberia, North America. Usually in the mountain area grows and is unbelievably healthy. If you use Arnica as an oil, usually ointment and similar kind of natural remedies, it can help you a lot with your joints. It's one of the perfect natural remedies for the hip arthritis, knee arthritis, back pain. If you have tuberculosis, if you have inflammation in your muscles, in the joints, Arnica oil can help you a lot. Also, it's one of the plants that can help you heal your carpal tunnel. Also, releases sprain, muscles ache and other inflammation. Strong cure for many inflammatory and exercise-related injury is Arnica oil. Typically using Arnica has shown great success in lowering pain, inflammation markers and the muscle damage indicators, so enhancing sport performance. For hematomas, contusions, sprains and rheumatoid disorders, to specific skin inflammation, Arnica has been long utilized in traditional medicine. Phenylalanine and sesquiterpene lactone is one of the Arnica ingredients that makes it so strong and has anti-inflammatory properties. Furthermore, the theme oil includes Arnica has been shown to be useful vasodilatator and subcutaneous blood capillaries, therefore facilitating the movement of the blood and the other fluids accumulation, as well as providing anti-inflammatory actions to support normal healing mechanism. Arnica oil also increases the flow of the white blood cells, which process digest blood to aid distribute retained fluid from the muscle, joints and the tissue. This is unbelievably plant, as I said before, for the joint, for the muscles, pain and so much other conditions. But for today's show, it's unbelievably important if you want to find a very good solution for your hair, brittle hair, losing hair and any kind of similar conditions. Arnica oil can help you a lot. Arnica oil is a natural hair treatment you might choose to try whether you are a woman noticing more daily hair loss than you would desire, or maybe starting to suffer with the male pattern baldness. Actually, Arnica oil is among the best hidden remedies for stopping hair loss. Regular scalp massage using Arnica oil can give you scalp recognizing energizing nutrition that stimulates the hair follicles to help new healthy hair to develop. Some uncertainties have also made that situation of baldness. Arnica can help new hair grow. To get the advantages of Arnica oil, you can also search for the shampoos, conditioners and any other products, including it's one of the component, and that is unbelievably important information. Usually you must dilute this Arnica oil. This is one of the remedies. You can buy it in good quality healthy store, but if you cannot buy this good quality produce, you can make it on your own. Usually you just need a couple of drops of Arnica oil, but always you must dilute it with other carrier oil such as almond oil, jojoba oil or oil. Just a little bit mix put it in your scalp. Usually it's going to be beneficial to leave it for a couple hours and then you wash your hair. It's going to be unbelievably important. Also, Arnica oil consists about 50% fatty acid, including linoleic, palmitic and mystric acids. It also contains a special compound that can cause an allergic reaction in sensitive people. This is precisely why Arnica is not intended for the use by all people. Arnica is used for the external use only. However, Arnica oil has strong anti-inflammatory effect that can be used in alleviating and treating diseases and conditions as insect bites, acne, stimulates the work of respiratory organs, heart and the blood circulation, help with superficial veins, inflammatory ulcers, pimples on the skin, and much more. But for today's show, on the end of the day, I'm gonna give you a couple more very important information. You can use Arnica as the diluted form, and you can buy it in a healthy store already prepared. This is my recommendation for you. A couple more information for the end of the show. First one, visit MariLab.hr. This is my website. You will find on my website thousands and thousands new videos, new text, new information about nutrition, health benefits, recipes, and much more. So right now, if you don't already know, visit MariLab.hr. It's going to be unbelievably beneficial for you. And of course, if you want heard from me each day about new videos about health and about nutrition, of course, below the video, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon, and you will not miss any of my videos each day. For the end of the show, also, I'm going to recommend you watch this video right here. It's going to be unbelievably information about best nutrients in the world for the hair loss. It's going to be also information that is going to be beneficial for you. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.